Dear students, we are starting with the another lecture of e-commerce and ERP, which is dealing with the ERP part. Basically, when we talk of ERP, that is Enterprise Resource Planning, we have to look at ERP as a manufacturing perspective. If we are trying to manufacture something, then according to the organization, what are the roles of ERP, what are the benefits of ERP. So this is covered in this system, in this lecture. Basically, if we talk about ERP and the manufacturing perspective of ERP, the manufacturing information system supports the production or operation functions, which include all activities concerned with the planning and control of the processes that produce goods and services. The production or operation function is concerned with the management of the operational system of all business firms. Information systems used for operation management and transaction processing support all firms that must plan, monitor and control inventories, purchases and the flow of goods and services. If we talk about the information system, it helps in the manufacturing activities. How? It helps in planning, activity scheduling, in material requirement assessment, in material reallocation between orders. Suppose some order has been pending and there is a need of material in another order, then we can reallocate that material over there. Dynamic inventory management, grouping work orders by characteristics, resource qualification for task completion. So this is when we talk about the manufacturing information system or information management system, when we talk of its manufacturing perspective, how it helps when we are concerned with the manufacturing of the goods. Computer integrated manufacturing or CIM is when we talk about the computer-based manufacturing information systems that use several major techniques to support computer integrated manufacturing or the CIM. CIM is an overall concept that stresses that the goals of computer used in factory automation must be to, number one, simplify or re-engineer production processes, production designs and factory organization as a vital foundation to automate and integration. Number two, automate. What automate means? It is able to do production processes and the business functions that support them with computers, machines and robots. Integrate. Integrate means all production and support processes using computers, telecommunications, networks and other information technologies. If we talk about overall goal of the CIM, it is to create flexible, agile manufacturing processes that efficiently produce products of the highest quality. The CIM supports the concept of flexible manufacturing system, means you should not be rigid. If there is some problem in some manufacturing, then we can have an alternate process. This is supported during CIM. Agile manufacturing means customer inputs can be also taken into consideration. Total quality management means whatever you deliver, that should meet the 100% quality attributes so that your customers become satisfied. If we talk about the results of CIM, implementing such manufacturing concepts enables a company to quickly respond to and fulfill customer requirements with high quality products and services. The uses of computers in manufacturing may include computer aided engineering. You might have heard these terms. This is the CAE. Computer aided design, that is CAD. Computer aided process planning, that is CAPP. Material requirements planning, that is MRP. We have discussed about MRP, MRP2 in previous lectures. Manufacturing resource planning, that is MRP2. Computer aided manufacturing, that is SCAM. So these are basically the things which have inculcated computers into its working. We are talking about some application softwares which are basically SCAM or CAD, and with the help of those softwares we are trying to um, enhance our business opportunities, satisfy the customers more often, and give a best quality product to the customer. Computer aided manufacturing or CAM systems are those that automate the production processes. We can take it with an example. This could be accomplished by monitoring and controlling the production process in a factory, which is manufacturing execution systems, or by directly controlling a physical process, which is known as process control, a machine tool, which is machine control, or machines with some human-like work capabilities, or the robots. Manufacturing execution systems, MES. These are performance monitor systems for factory floor operations. They monitor, track, and control the 5 essential components involved in a production process. What are those 5 essential components involved in the production? Material, equipment, personnel, instruction and specification, production facilities. What does MES include? The MES or the manufacturing execution system may include shop floor scheduling and control system. You might have seen that every floor has one billing counter, machine control system, robotics control system, process control system. These are the manufacturing execution systems when we talk of. If we talk about the benefits of the CIM, the benefits of the CIM are: first is increased efficiency through work simplification and automation, better production schedule planning, better balancing of production workloads in production capacity. So it will try to increase the efficiency of the organization by enhancing or boosting its production. Next is improved utilization of facilities, higher productivity, better quality control through continuous monitoring. Means when we are using a software, then the monitoring is continuous. Nothing can be lagged. Feedback and control of factory operations, equipment and robots. You might have seen that sometimes a company takes your number and then on your mobile phone they ask for a feedback. Would you like to rate the purchase today? So this I am giving an example because we often go to some malls or some cooperative stores where we purchase things from. Billing is there, every floor billing is there, the feedback is there, monitoring is there. So these are all including or improving the efficiency of the organization. We also feel comfortable in going to such places because we can guarantee that yes, they will not sell wear out products, they will not sell expired products. So the quality is also maintained when they are managing the inventory through the computer aided systems. So third is reduced investment in production inventories and facilities. How does this reduce? By work simplification. If a person is idle, he has no work, he can be employed in another task. Just in time inventory policies, better planning and control of production, better planning and control of finished goods or finished requirements. So we can in a better way we can take the customer feedback as well and try to improve our manufacturing. If a product is not working well in one particular way, then we can take the feedback from the customer and then we try to improve the working of the product. So this enhances the overall throughput of the company. Improved customer services. How are customer services improved? By reducing out of stock situations. Means every time you will not find a situation where one item is not available because they are trying to manage the inventory online. So whenever there is a shortage or resulting into shortage of something, then the order of new item is placed immediately. So there is out of stock situation is not there. And at times it may be there because maybe the inventory is not being delivered fast, so that can be a case, but maximum times you will not find out of order or out of stock situation. Producing high quality products that better meet customer requirements means the product's quality is improved as per the requirement of customers. I said that the customer feedback can also play a vital role in this. The feedback of the customer can be taken and improvement in the quality can be made. So in this way, the implementation of manufacturing or implementation of computers in manufacturing increases the efficiency of a company as well as satisfaction to the customers and the employees of the organization. Thank you everyone. This was all about the manufacturing perspective of the ERP. Do wait for next lectures to come up. Thank you for listening.